Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday video where we're gonna dive a little bit deep in the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart to see what happened today and what's gonna happen in the next few hours. And of course, how those two bullish scenarios that we spoke about it in the morning or in the daily analysis are going to unfold or to continue. Which one is gonna continue this rally? So yeah, we have the first bullish scenario, which is very, very bullish, where we have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. And of course, this 1, 2 starts here after having a W and then X and a Y in a triangle here. As you can see, A, B, C, D, and an E, of course, finishing a wave E here and starting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. Now, of course, you can see that your wave 3 would like to hit the 1.618, which is around the 113,550, while the target taken from your wave 1, 2 in orange here, and based on your wave 3, giving us a target at 113,500 as well. So we can see the confluence between those two targets, between your wave 3 here and your main wave 5, that it should end somewhere here. So that would be a perfect scenario, of course, if both targets reach the same price, and it give it a little bit more possibility, right? When you start to see some targets in confluence. Now, the second bullish scenario, which is still also possible because we are still ranging in this area, which is between the fib levels of a wave 5 in a diagonal. By all means, you have finished here at 3 waves down, A, and 3 waves up for a B, and then of course a very sharp impulse for a wave C. So you have finished ABC here, kind of like running flat, and then starting a diagonal towards the upside, contracting diagonal. Now this contracting diagonal, of course, can be an ending diagonal for your wave 5, and that means your wave 5, the orange one, might end in this area. Rather than, of course, getting the high here, it might take the low there, right? So we already got an all-time high, so your wave 5 can be very eligible, right? If we have here, it is higher than your wave 3. So it could be very eligible if we already finish as well in an ending diagonal. And in that case scenario, what you would like to see, if you are looking for more bigger impulse, you would like to take the 1 fib level, of course. Fib level, of course, of a wave 5, because once you take this, this level, this wave 5 is going to be longer than your wave 3. And having a wave 5 longer than your wave 3 in a diagonal, therefore this is not a diagonal anymore. This, of course, a wave 3 towards the upside, and we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for sure. So the key level, of course, is still the 107 or 108,000, let's say, for Bitcoin. If we reach this level, yeah, therefore we can make sure that we are in a impulse towards the upside as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, preferably that your wave 5 should be very, very extended. As you can see here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3. If you get, of course, an extended wave 5, that might, of course, bring your wave 3 to an end at 113. And maybe your wave 3 can reach only the 1.27, by the way. And then 4 and a 5 for this 1, 2 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing this impulse and finishing your wave 5 exactly in this target here, where it should be based on the two confluence targets for wave 3 and for wave 5. So the things are still, yeah, still the same as in the morning, by the way. We are still ranging it at the same place. However, on the 15-minute chart, let's see what happened. As you can see, we got an impulse or a continuation towards upside after an ABC and then 1, 2, 3. Now we're looking for a 4 and a 5. However, this still look like very small. However, if you get, again, an extended wave 5, maybe you reach then the 1-to-1 fib level at 108,000. And that might, of course, directly invalidate this diagonal. Wave 5, of course, with a long wave 5 longer than your wave 3. So yeah, possibility are still there for much higher, but somehow I still see a little bit yeah, probably I still see a little bit weakness with the impulse. I mean, why it should like kind of like finish in that way. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's fine. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and I have the feeling that it cannot really reach the 1 fib level here, because if we are looking at 1, 2 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you finished your wave 3, and now you're looking at your last wave 4, and probably your wave 5 may be ending diagonal, or even if it is an impulse, I don't know if it can reach the 1 to 1 fib level. To get a little bit more insight, we go inside the KGT here, which is perfect for our Elliott wave. This indicator always tell us where the structures are starting and ending. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Yeah, we have a sell on the 15-minute chart where we took the high, of course, right? So there is some selling pressure already started from there. And it might show us, of course, like some weakness. So on the 5-minute chart, we still can see, yeah, there is a convergence here. Yeah, there is some selling pressure. As you can see, there is a convergence, small convergence or parallel lines between the price action and the CVD lines. As you can see, it is very flat. Now it is not very strong convergence, but somehow it shows some pressure, right? And for the divergence for bullish, if we are looking for bullish, well, this is still unfolding just from this CVD, where we have a divergence here, as you can see, between this signal and the price here and there. So this creates kind of a divergence and still creating higher prices. But if you take a look here, there is no really strong divergence. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not very strong divergence. Therefore, this move towards the upside could be, of course, directly opposed by some sellers, right? So we might finish maybe this sooner or later and start to drop down, yeah, even before taking the high. I don't know if that is gonna be the case, but we have to wait here and, of course, to see what's gonna happen. We're gonna wait for the range. If we see higher prices, if we see this high is taken, then it's a good signal for continuation. If we see lower prices again, that might not be a good signal. All right, it might be that you have finished a 1, A, B, and a C, guys, yeah, without taking the high. So that is, yeah, that is not quite good, I would say. I mean, because it's gonna bring the wave 5 low. Yeah, this wave 5 is gonna finish over here rather than taking the high. And that is a kind of sign of weakness, right? And that will bring us, of course, for a stronger correction for this wave 4, deeper. Um, yeah, it might come back to this area even, possibly. So, and then, of course, yeah, we're back under 100K directly. So that was it for Bitcoin, guys. This is the inside and the deep analysis inside the 15 and the 1 hour chart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment. If you're interested in KHG, you can find the information in the description below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.